Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. Mafucci, and I'm here early today because I'm going to do a demo with magnesium. So, why don't you get out your labs and let's take a look at what we're going to do with magnesium. So, the first thing we have to do is we want to examine our samples of magnesium, describe all the physical properties. Okay, so I have some magnesium ribbon right here. Okay, you can see I can bend it. It's pretty thin. It's silvery colored. And I'm going to put the magnesium in this little dish right here. So maybe you can make some observations about it. So that's the magnesium ribbon. I've had this for quite some time, and so it's not perfectly silver colored anymore. It looks like it's been oxidized a little bit. It has a black coating on it. Well, then I also have some magnesium turnings. Now, this is a brand new bottle, so you can see how silvery colored it is. This is what magnesium should look like when it's not oxidized. So I'll put it in here. Magnesium is a pretty reactive metal. Metals react by losing their valence electrons, and the valence electrons are electrons in the outermost energy level. Magnesium reacts by losing its two valence electrons. So maybe you can make some descriptions, some properties about magnesium just by observing it. If you're just observing and not reacting, those are physical properties. Now, in number 2, it says, measure the mass of your strip of magnesium. So I'm going to take my magnesium ribbon, okay, and I'm going to bring my balance up here, and I'm going to zero it. These balances are so sensitive, they're actually affected by wind. So I'm going to put the magnesium ribbon on there, and you can see that it has a mass of 0.16 grams. So now in the next step, what I have to do is I have to measure the length and width. Now I knew I had to get a different ruler because the strip of magnesium was so long. So let's take a look at it. We put it on the end, and we'll say that the magnesium, we read as far as we can, and then we guess one more. Let's say it's 15.35 centimeters. Okay? Well, now we also have to measure the width, not the thickness, but the width. And I'm just going to stick it on the 6 so maybe you can see that. And do you see where it's going to? It looks like it's about point, okay, because we're not saying it's 6. We're just measuring it from the 6. And it looks like it's going 1, 2, 3. And it looks exactly on the 3. So 0.30 centimeters wide.